Alright guys, we put the F-Bomb official stickers on there. I did give this a really good cleaning last night, so it seems to be a lot happier. F-Bomb, this is officially what we're calling this thing, the F-Bomb. I took off Bubba that was up here and cleaned that real good. I think I'm just going to leave it's all good because I like that phrase. I like it. It's good, it's fitting, and seems to work well. So this thing's been sitting. It was 42 degrees last night. It's a little chilly still this morning, so I'm going to go ahead. I've got my coat on here. I have the FPV race drone under the seat. We're gonna go do the first vlog. Everything fits in there perfectly, so yeah, we're gonna go to that equestrian field. So let me pull this out here. We're gonna crank it up and then I'm gonna close the garage. This has not started since last night, so definitely needs a little warm up. Actually, let me start it first here, get this thing warming up. Let's see how it does from a cold start. Look at that. Look at that. And we're gonna try this other GoPro on here. Hopefully it doesn't shake too much. I think as I give it throttle, it'll straighten out a little bit, but it's also just warming up now, so I'll start that here in a bit. We'll see how that looks. It does have hyper smooth on it, but as you can see, there's a lot to move around. I'm gonna see if I can change the brace here in a little bit. All right, let me let this warm up. Alright guys, let me start my camera up here. Should be good to go. And that's rolling. Let's close the shield. Let's see how it does here. I think antenna's up. Should be good. Wave to Carol. Brisk morning here, that is for sure. It is definitely a brisk morning. I'm just gonna cruise here, give it a chance to warm up before I really start powering into it. Going about 25. I can see my camera down here. It's just getting shaken all over the place. It'll be interesting to see how that footage looks. I'm trying to give you guys a whole nother view of things here. We're gonna go ahead and put the drone up in the air after its big crash. Unfortunately, if you guys remember, I was out at the dirt bike track and I was chasing things, and we decided to just have a little freedom rip, and unfortunately I think that freedom rip didn't go so well. we ended up crashing into each other. I hit a 10-inch quad on my 5-inch, and boy did it do some interesting things. So it's creep out here. Don't need to be hitting potholes and stuff hard. There we go. We're gonna go down by the closed school. We got a little bit of a ride ahead of us here, but yeah, should be fun. Get out on the road, pick up the speed a bit. Oh, it's chilly though, man. Even this guy's all like suited up. Look at this guy. That looks like the guy that killed Harambe. What? That dude looks like the guy that killed Harambe. Poor Harambe. I feel bad still for that gorilla, man. All I was trying to do was help the little kid, and then bicycle guy there comes along and kills him. Gorilla killing Harambe bike rider. That's something new. You think about that? That's something new. Craziness. Alright, bike feels like it's running a little better now that it's kind of warmed up, so should be able to jump out here with no issues into traffic. That's always fun. Welcome to Florida, the never-ending tourist destination. Alright, let's see what we got here. Hey, that's pretty good. gonna be going right past the highway, so gotta get a little speed under me here. Oh, I picked the bumpy lane. Alright. Let's go, Scooter. Let's have some fun. Whee! She was still warming up a bit. She's taking the throttle just fine now. She's taking it fine now, cruising past the highway. Only going 45. We're just kind of tooling here. We're not really going crazy. See, that guy wants to go fast. Not that I'm going the speed limit or anything, because I'm not. Weed, weed. And I think I can turn this way right now. I think school's closed, so I should be able to turn this way. Yeah, okay, cool. Nobody's out here. Cool, man. Cool. Come on, light. Oh, what the hell? Why didn't it give me a green arrow? That's stupid. Really? A yellow arrow? That's just dumb. All right. So this scooter will hit every bit of 60 miles an hour, by the way. I just don't, there's no reason to beat on it like that. It just hurts things and affects stuff. So, really no reason to. Oh, this is kind of choppy up here. Ugh. Just pull out here in the sun, because it's a brisk morning. That is faux show. It is definitely a brisk morning. Good. All right. Cool. Made it here. 7-minute ride from my house to here. Not too bad. We didn't quite hit 50. I wasn't really trying to though, but yeah. So, oh, hello alarm. All right. Well, I'm gonna pull out the FPV drone and we're gonna go ahead and put up here and have some fun. It's been a minute since I've flown here, so I kind of want to tear this area up and have a little bit of fun. Make sure the quad still works after its gigantic crash that it just had. And yeah, we'll go from there. By the way, it's somebody said my audio's muffled. Guys, putting audio in a helmet is like the hardest thing you possibly do and get good audio. It's not that it's muffled, it's that the microphone is up here in the corner and it's just rebounding right off the face shield and back into the mic. So it's not muffled, it's just rebounding. And that's just something every motovlogger has to deal with is rebound. So yeah, when it's shut, it's going to be a little louder. It's not that it's muffled, it's just louder. because it's just rebounding directly back into the microphone. It's really hard to get good audio. So, all right. Well, that being said, here, let me situate, and I'll see you guys in a minute. Well, that sucks. It's definitely not fixed. I was just cruising around and all of a sudden it just fell out of the sky, and I just smelled my back, let's see, driver's side. I guess if you're looking at it like it was a car, back rear right motor smells fried. It's got like an electrical smell, and it's very hot. All the rest of them are fine, so I think that's the one that took the hit from the 10-inch quad, so I need to go through all that wiring and figure out exactly what took place. So that's unfortunate. I was getting a good cruise in, and then all of a sudden it just was like whoop, 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 and I heard it go. It just fell out of the sky, and that was the end of it. So too bad. I don't think I have any 4S motors laying around the house. I'm gonna have to check and see what I got. I need to go through this flight controller, honestly, and because it looks like something got whacked and isn't there anymore. So maybe it's the flight controller causing the problem. I don't know. It's a 4-in-1 ESC, so could be the issue. But like I said, I'm not going to continue pushing my luck here. So too bad. I was going to go out here and I was just getting ready for a power rip, and nope, we're not going to do that. That back motor is fried. So oh well. I'll see you guys in a minute. Okay, well, this is fun, sitting at a light. I realized we didn't tighten the throttle down, so we're gonna go back and do that now before it creates a problem. Really? It's gonna pull out? Really? What were you thinking, man?
Good afternoon. Please give your attention to my associate, Agent J. He's going to demonstrate an electro-biomechanical neural transmitting zero synapse repositioner. We call it the neuralizer. Keep it simple, Slid.
Thanks a lot. Thank you, Agent K. Ladies and gentlemen, if you will, look right here.